Hello friends, welcome to my channel Guru Mantra. My name is Guru Raj. So yet another interesting day today. Market was very good, volatile between the certain range. So I hope you have earned a very good profit out of the today's volatility. So to begin with this video, let us discuss about OHLC. That is open of 17,283 was the open, which was around 85 points gap down from the yesterday's closing, and high of 17,376 was made during the day. Low of 17,225 was made, and at the end of the day, market closed at 17,000 and 324 325 range. So if I just want to see the chart, I want you to open the chart and just put only one indicator, that is moving average, that is 100 moving average, and you will be surprised to see that from last 10 days nearly market is moving around this 100 moving average. It is trying to go below the 100 days moving average, but it is coming near, and now from then it tried to go up above the 100 days moving average, but again it is coming down to 100 moving average. So 100 moving average will be the most important factor in coming days. So now exactly it has taken a support at 100 days moving average, and it is up closed. Today's candle, if you talk about a day's candle, it is not exactly doji, but it is sort of a indecisive candle, what I would like to say, because if you see the upper week and the lower week, both the weeks are around 50-55 points. That is the close and the day's high, and open and the day's lows, the gap is only 55 points both the ways. So the selling pressure and the buying this are both the same. So this is sort of a indecisiveness, and it has exactly taken support on the 100 days moving average. So if it opens below or above, will be a gap up or gap down, will be the very interesting to watch tomorrow. So let us go through some of the top gainers and top losers for the day. When it comes to top gainers, definitely Power Grid, Divi's Lab, Axis Bank, Nestle India, UPL, these are some of the stocks which were top gainers. And when it comes to top losers, ITC was the top loser for the day. Bajaj Finance, Tata Consumer, Kotak Bank, Bharti Airtel, Tata Motors, Reliance, these were some of the top losers for the day. So let us go ahead to the next part of our video, where we'll understand what are the resistance and support for the tomorrow. Thank you. So friends, today I have opened a daily chart of a Nifty 50, because with the help of a day chart we will try to understand how the market is going and what will be the expected moves for tomorrow. So as you can see, this blue line which I have drawn, this blue line is a 100 moving average. Okay, so you can see here very clearly today the market, it has taken a support on this 100 days moving average, and previous day it was trying to go below the 100 days moving average, but it was dragging, attracted towards the 100 days moving average, and it is going up and again it is coming down. So this 100 days moving average is very important level in the coming days. So let us see, with the help of some of the indicators, we will understand what will be the resistance and supports for tomorrow. I'll just open a NSE website and I'll show you the option interest here. As you can see, the option interest 17,500, you can see the maximum of open interest, that is of 1,38,000 is open interest, and volume of 18,98,000. So 1,38,000 open interest is highest in this range. After that, I think with the help of this we can say that 17,500 will be one of the resistance. And when it comes to support, I would like to show you one more chart. Here is a chart, you can see open interest. So here you can see that 17,500 has a maximum call rating, and 17,000 has a little bit good put rating, but as you can see, compared to the call rating, put rating is very small. So this indicates that chances are there that the market may remain below these resistance, that is 17,400, 17,500. Basically these are the very big resistance, so market may remain below this level in a coming week or this week. So now let us see through the chart what are the resistance and supports. So if market opens flat, then definitely this level 17,273, where our 100 moving average was there, that will be the very important level. And then The next support will be definitely 17,160 level, and the third support will be definitely 16,980 level. These will be the three supports for tomorrow. And when it comes to resistance, let us consider, when it comes to resistance, I would like to say the today's high will be the first resistance. Around 376 was the day's high. I'll consider around 380 will be the first resistance, and second resistance 17,500, and if at all it crosses 17,500, then 17,650 will be the third resistance. This will be the major support and resistance. But as far as I can see, the market was in this range for the Friday. It has come down. Friday it was here. Monday it has come down. Tuesday, this is the scenario which is touching exactly 100 is moving average. So we can expect that it will expire below 17,500 for this Thursday expiry. So I hope you understood some of the things, and let us go ahead with our educational videos on weekends. I have created a separate playlist for the educational videos. So keep like and please like and share my videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.